Assalamualaikum dear students, I hope everybody is fine. I am Dr. Lewis and you are watching YouTube channel ALEVELCAMS. Student, in question number 10, we are given the quadratic polynomial with the roots alpha and beta, and we have to find the another quadratic equation with root k alpha and k beta, and with the root k plus alpha and k plus beta. So for the first part, sum of the root you can write here, as we know, sum of the root is minus b over a and product is c over a. So you have to write down polynomial with the roots k alpha and k beta. So sum of their roots k alpha plus k beta is means sum of the root of the polynomial of the required polynomial that we want to find. Its roots will be of the form this. You can take common and you have alpha plus beta. What is alpha plus beta is minus b over a. So you have minus kb over a. And for the product of the root of the required polynomial, we can have k square alpha beta, k square as it is c by a. So you can write, hence the required polynomial is, what will be the required polynomial? G square with sum of the root with product is equal to 0. G square as it is, what is sum of the root? Minus kb by a z, and product is k square c by a. You can rewrite it a z square kbz k square c is 0, and this is your required polynomial. For the second part, we need polynomial with roots k plus alpha and k plus beta. So sum of the root is k plus alpha, k plus beta, 2k plus alpha plus beta, and you can write 2k plus, what is alpha plus beta, is minus b over a. And similarly, product of the root k plus alpha, k square, alpha plus beta k plus alpha beta. What is minus? This is minus b over a. What is this one? C by a. Hence, required polynomial is, what will be the required polynomial? G square, sum of the roots, product of the root equals 0. If you multiply by a, you will simplify, otherwise this is also your answer. So for further updates, stay with us. If you have any problem, you can contact on our WhatsApp number. See you again. Allah Hafiz.